Sample problem on compound curves, pero I think napakadali ng sample problem na to, no? Pero anyway, solve pa rin natin, para at least ma-review kayo ng mga concepts, okay? Compound curve connects two tangents with an intersection angle of 58 degrees. If the first curve has a central angle of 21 degrees, determine the central angle of the second curve. So, yun, madali lang, no? So, sulat lang muna natin yung mga given. So, ito yung intersection angle ng dalawang tangent. So, pag ito-drawing natin yan, meron tayong dalawang tangent, no? So, ito yung tangent natin. Tapos, yun, di naman, Hindi naman required na i-drawing talaga yung curve. Pero ito yung magiging itsura niya, no? So, yun, ito yung curve dito. Tapos, ito yung tangent, which, tangent 1, tangent 2. Tapos, ito naman yung I, which is just equivalent to 58 degrees. Tapos alam naman natin na this is I1 and then this one is I2. And then ito ay just I1 plus I2. So ito pa lang makukuha na natin yung sagot, no? So we have I1, first curve has a central angle of 21 degrees. So we have I1 is 21 plus I2. So ito yung required natin, I2. So madali lang, no? So we have I2 is just equivalent to 58 degrees minus 21 degrees. So that's I2 is equivalent to 37 degrees. Kahit hindi mo na i-calculate yan, no? Makukuha mo na, no? 37 plus 21, that's 58 degrees. So, yun. I think ito yung mga pang one-liner lang ng mga, pero meron din namang mga problems na ganito na lumalabas sa board exam. Kasi yun, marami naman kasi yung items ngayon sa board exam. So may mga small one-liner lang na mga questions na lumalabas. Malay natin, no? At least alam natin na meron palang ganitong relationship, no? Na I is equivalent to I1 plus I2. Kasi pag hindi mo rin alam to, hindi mo rin masosolve yung mga ibang problems na mas complex pa nito, no? So at least yung mga basic na ganito alam natin. Okay, so yun. I think yun para sa sample problem na to. And see you again sa mga next sample problems. And thank you again for watching.